What's up, everyone, and welcome to Blissful Switch, the space where we turn collective noise into personal clarity and flip the script on your energy. I am so glad you found your way here today. You're exactly where you're meant to be. Before we dive into the deck to find your breakthrough, take a deep breath with me, let go of the day's weight, and let's see what magic the universe has in store for your journey today. Let's get into the cards. Beautiful. Well, I hope everybody had a beautiful day. And today we will be pulling 3 cards from the Tarot Original Circular Edition by Arthur Waite, Pamela Smith, and Sasha Graham. Alright, so we will be pulling 3 cards for today, Saturday, March 14th, 2026. And if one of these cards resonates with you, write claim in the comment section down below. And let's get into the cards. We have the 10 of Cups. We have the 6 of Pentacles. We have the Devil. And for our clarifier, we have the 3 of Pentacles. Let's cover those guys up. There we go. Alright. So for our past card, we have the 10 of Pentacles. So this spread hits, right, on a very specific earthy frequency. It's reading about the price of success, right? It speaks to you, viewer, as someone who has achieved high level of stability, but has become entangled in a cycle of control, obligation, right? Or like golden handcuffs. Right, the 10 of Pentacles is the Empire, the wealth, the family, long-term security, the perfect external life. And then we have the Exchange, the give and take, power dynamic, who is holding the scales, right? And then we have the Shadow, the bondage, addiction, addiction to security, toxic attachments, right? Feeling owned by your lifestyle. Now we have the clarifier as the 3 of Pentacles, right? Money on your mind. The mastermind in this card is collaboration, right? Teamwork and building something with mutual respect. I'll take a sip of my coffee. So we have high stakes with the 10 of Pentacles. You viewer are dealing with big energy, right? Family legacies, large sums of money, long-term career stability. The card is generational, right? Generational energy. It looks successful, but comes with a lot of responsibilities and a lot of weight and expectations. And then we have the power dynamic with the Six of Pentacles. Here's the switch. This card is about the flow of resources. One person has the coins, the other has the scales. In this context, you're questioning the terms of your success. Is someone helping? Is someone helping you? Or are they only to control them? So is someone helping them only to control them? Are you like giving too much away to keep the peace? Because the chains with the devil reveals a dark side of this abundance. It's feeling like being trapped by a paycheck, by family expectations, or just material habit. Like you have the Ten of Pentacles life, but you feel like a slave to it. You're afraid that if you change the dynamic, the Six of Pentacles, you'll lose your security. And then we have the collaborative solution, right? Three of Pentacles. The Three of Pentacles clarifies the exit strategy. It's saying you don't have to do this alone, right? You don't have to be a slave to the system. And the way out is the devil's grip. Way out of the devil's grip is through competence and collaboration. It's about finding a new team or like a new way to work where you are respected, you're a respected contributor, not just a dependent. So like golden handcuffs, why your success feels like a trap, right? From toxic dependency to teamwork, right? Is it like the price of security? Is it worth your soul? I say not. But today's message is about reclaiming your agency within your success. We see the Ten of Pentacles. You've built something great, or you're just a part of a big legacy. But the Six of Pentacles combined with the devil shows a toxic power dynamic. Maybe you feel owned by your job, your debt, or even your family expectations. You're afraid to rock the boat because you don't want to lose your stability. But look at the clarifier, the Three of Pentacles. The universe is showing you that your skills are your ticket to freedom. You're being called to move away from a master-servant dynamic and into collaborator. From servant to collaborator. So the blissful switch is the dynamic of that, right? You have the talent to build your own empire, one where you aren't wearing golden handcuffs. The price of security. Servant dynamic to collaborator dynamic. Yeah. All right. Well, that is the tea for today. If this reading helped you find your switch, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to join our growing community. Remember, a more blissful life starts with a single choice in your perspective. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Go out there to claim your magic. Stay mindful, stay blissful, and I will catch you in the next one.